Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your Tamara limit. First, open the Tamara app on your phone. If you are using a computer, open your web browser and go to the Tamara website. After you log in, you will see your main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your account. On the left side of the screen, look for the menu panel. In that menu, find the option called Settlement Dashboard. Click on Settlement Dashboard to open it. Now you will be inside the settlement area of your account. You need to find the option that says View My Fees and Limits. Once you see it, click on View My Fees and Limits. Now the system will display detailed information about your Tamara limits. This page will not only show a remaining balance. Instead, it will show structured information such as the payment type available on your account, the minimum limit allowed, and the maximum limit assigned to you. You may also see other related options or details connected to your payment terms and account settings. Review all the information shown on this page to fully understand your account limits and payment structure. Thanks for watching.